You promise yourself every month that this time will be different. You will control your spending, make smarter decisions, feel in control. Yet somehow you end up in the same place, the same pressure, the same quiet frustration. Not because you are bad with money, but because the decisions that feel right are quietly working against you. And the most dangerous part, you rarely question them. The human brain does not seek truth. It seeks emotional safety. Uncertainty feels uncomfortable. So the mind replaces doubt with certainty. This is how overconfidence forms. You begin to defend what feels logical instead of examining what is true. You stop investigating. You stop challenging your own thinking. You protect ideas that feel familiar. The more convinced you become, the less information you allow in, and slowly your decisions move from rational awareness to emotional protection. This is why intelligent people repeat the same mistakes while genuinely believing they are being smart. Confidence becomes a shield, and the shield becomes a blindfold. Not because you lack intelligence, but because you stop questioning what feels right. The solution is not doubt, and it is not hesitation. It is awareness. Before any important financial decision, pause and ask, am I choosing this because it is rational or because it feels safe? If the answer is emotion, slow down. Clarity begins the moment comfort is questioned. Wealth grows, not through certainty, but through conscious choice. Today's money code is this. Your greatest financial risk is not poor logic. It is unchallenged confidence. If this felt familiar, explore more money codes that sharpen the way you think about money.